This video shows you how to clean the G-Nautilus Pro Flexible. First, unplug the connector and take the amplifier out of the case. Don't try to remove the case of the cap. Put the connector into this protective cover. You can hang this around your neck so you can easily control how far it hangs down in the water. Put the whole cap into the warm water mixed with soap or enzyme cleaner. The water should have between 30 and 35 degrees. Clean the cap from outside and inside using the included brushes and a toothbrush. Do not hold the cable, only hold the holder ring. Take the cap out of the water and put it onto a towel. Use the towel to dry it a bit. Put it onto a holder for drying.